Hi everybody! Welcome back on my channel. Rose Pinay here from Rosebugs TV, and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng makeup tutorial. But this is very special because we have a special guest. Syempre special guest. So we have Miss Izzy. May makeup ako ni Miss Izzy. Halika na dito.
Gusto ko yung miss. Hello.
Yes! Babaeng babae. Oh, tirintas pa more. Ayan. May makeupan tayo ni Miss Izzy. So ano daw yung go mo for today?
For you?
Yeah.
Kasi we're going out, so it has to be a little bit sultry.
Ayun.
May konting smoky, gano'n. Parang, I'm young, but I'm not. Gano'n.
Gusto ko yun.
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Ano yung first na gagawin natin? Eyeshadow.
So nakapag-set ka na naman ng foundation and everything.
Eyeshadow.
So, we'll start with eyeshadow.
Yes. So, ano daw gamit mo?
The one that we bought.
Ayan. Eyeshadow.
Okay. Malinis ba yung kuko ko? Okay, dear. Okay. So, I will use this shade. Kung ano mang shade siya.
Yung brown.
No.
Ay.
Yes, just as a base. So, you can use the brush na kasama.
Yes.
Or have my own
Pwede na siya
brush.
makeup tutorial. Okay, game.
Okay. So, let's use this one na lang kasi kailangan it's everywhere. So, just as a base. Okay. So, you have to put it here. Just put it kahit everywhere. Because this is just something to be parang the background lang of what we're gonna put on. I don't want to go too dark because I don't want you to look too old. Not that putting dark makeup makes you look old, but yun, nakasama ka millennial.
Ayan. Parang yung tirintas mo today.
Yes, thank you to her for braiding my hair. You can show it. It's very light, but you can already see the contrast from the other eye. Or do you wanna do one eye muna?
One eye lang.
Para makita natin yung difference. Actually, we'll go with the eyes pa rin. But, we'll get a darker color. If you have an eyeliner, you can use an eyeliner. But for this one, I'll just use this one.
Yung
This color,
violet,
the darker one. Yeah. So, ito yung pang makeup tutorial para sa mga naka-budget. So, kahit isa lang, gagawa natin ng paraan.
Ayun. So, saan mo siya ilalagay? Doon lang sa dulo?
No, so this one, you'll put it sa crease ng eyelids and sa gilid.
Okay.
To make, to show more depth. Para lakas deep eyes. Ay, ano yun?
Ano yun?
Deep set.
Yeah.
Deep
Okay,
eyes.
okay.
Iba yung iniisip ko, sorry. Okay.
Okay, good.
So, you just brush it from the middle to the side. Don't worry, we'll still put eyeliner naman. Okay, so, remember that yung tip niya should be in the angle where the eyebrow ends. Subtle lang. And then, you go from the middle crease outside. You just put it like that. Even if it's a little bit makalat, it's okay kasi we're gonna blend it all together later. So if you can see it, there's already like a difference. Mas mukha nang malalim siya kasi it casts a shadow. So to make sure that it looks pantay, whatever you use on top, you always put it at the bottom also. Yung kinakarir ko talaga itong pag-vlog na to. And just a tad bit, para lang sa pictures, it's the same color as the one on top. I'll teach you a trick mamaya kapag wala kayong mga dark colors and everything. There's always a trick that I use para naka-smoky effect.
Game.
So, I have a black pencil eyeliner. And then I have a liquid pen eyeliner. Okay? So this one kasi, it smears, it smudges. It's good for the smokiness. Pero ito, it defines it. Tapos kumakapit talaga siya. So, with the pencil liner, you just put it sa, what do you call it? Sa base. No, sa base, kung yung sa roots ng lashes mo. Remember, less is more. Especially if it's black. During the day, you can do this with a brown eyeliner. Para lang may definition. Something like that lang. See it? You can see it already.
Mas bukang-buka siya, di ba? Yung
Yes.
isang mata ko. Parang ano
Yeah.
lang.
So
Parang
this is,
nakirat lang.
so this is my squatter style. Do as I also use my black eyeliner on top of my crease. So you shape it here. Pero syempre kung meron kayong black na eyeshadow, perfect. Pero sa mga nagmamadali, sa mga on the go, sa mga walang budget parang tayo, I use this one to define it more. Actually, sa pictures kasi talaga maganda to. Okay?
Ay, ang bongga.
See? So, it parang, it defines
Ang ganda.
na parang meron kang malalim na crease.
Oo nga.
Mamaya, you'll show naman like a high definition photo of it. Malinis naman po siyang tingnan. Uy, special guest din si Steph. Hi, say hi, Steph.
Papasok ka. Ayan. Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Hello!
Wow.
Okay.
Grabe.
Sige na, para matapos na kami. Konti na lang yun lang.
Ang ganda.
10 minutes na lang
Ano
yun
to?
lang. Eyeliner.
Pwede siya.
Oo, ginagamit ko lang ng eyeliner para maganyan.
Amazing.
Okay. And then, you get your liquid one. And then, you pull it out and then you brush it. Mas cat's eye is magpantay.
Oo. Ganyan.
Malapit na akong
And then again,
kajowa.
whatever you do, kung anong...
Ng foreigner.
Charot lang.
So, kung anong ginagawa mo sa
Ano
taas,
gusto mo? Taga South
kailangan gawin mo
Africa?
sa baba.
Charot.
Again, less is more. So,
Oo nga.
something like that.
Hi.
Ang ganda.
Kailan ka ba dadating?
Kailangan mo yung separation.
Next, kilay. Kilay is life.
So, you just follow your own kilay. You have a nice kilay naman. So, you just want to make sure that it's on fleek. So, sundan mo lang yung original mong kilay. So, what I normally do is, I pick up the bottom. So, yan. Sa ilalim, that's where I put all the dark ones. And yung dulo. And make sure that's dark. Okay? That's whatever's left on your brush, you just brush it up. So I'm just following your brows and I'm cleaning it. Then, voila.
Taray.
Di ba gumana na lang? Oh.
Oh my god, it looks really nice.
Oo nga. For the first time.
So, tatapusin muna natin? Or,
And then, what you can also do is whatever is left, tanggalin nyo. And then you brush it around. And this is where you base your 20,000, 40,000 nose line. It has to be all the way to the bottom. Siyempre, kailangan linisan nyo. Siyempre, mahirap yun sa umpisa. Pero practice and practice. See? It's not that harsh. Pero maganda yan mamaya, like when you look at the photos.
Mora ka na.
No,
But
now, we're just gonna put on lashes.
yeah.
I've already used some eyelash adhesive to do one on my lashes that I ordered online. And I forgot now where I got them. So So some people use tweezers, but I don't because I'm just used to not using them. Wait lang. Ang ganda, oh. Okay, close mo kasi. Huwag mo
Ay, sorry.
open. Look how pretty those are. Oops. Oh my god, you fell. Okay. So just close your eyes lang muna. And then, pwede mo siyang pay-yan. Then mo, yan. Ay!
Ang sakit.
Ay!
Ang sakit.
Pero sabi ko, magpay-pay ka. And then,
Hindi yung pasampalin yung sarili
Yes.
mo.
pero kung gusto mo ng natural blush, then, yun ang pwede mong gawin. There.
Mabigat nga siya. Oh my God! Grabe! Yung
Covered.
iba kabilang mata ko parang
Baka na.
Oh my God! Naisip mo. Ito naman.
Diba? Oh. And
Dito
that's just
Barbie tapos Kelly.
eye makeup pa lang yan. Wala pa tayo. We're still off for contouring and, you know, making everything look sleek. Is my favorite. I will never go out of the house without this. Like, if I'm partying. Ito po ang best friend ko ngayon. If you can see, have chubby cheeks.
Yan ang tinatawag na
Contour.
contour. Sa mga matataba ang
So
pisngi.
ako, I'm very I have a different contour style.
Paano?
So I use what do you call this? A contour stick first, and then I set it with powder, and then I have another parang darker brown, parang bronzer na contour. Tapos i-top it off with a darker powder.
Grabe, ang dami mong pinang-contour.
Yun yung kahit mag-tumbling ako isang buong araw, maliit ang pisngi ko. So, okay lang.
Sige, go.
Because I don't really care. You just dab here. And then you put a line here. And dab. And then you slowly brush it around. You don't have to be clean. I don't know where I saw this, pero because after that, you get your blending brush. Blending sponge brush. And then, that's when you blend it. Mabigat ba yung kamay ko? I'm not used to doing makeup on other people. So, this levels out the color evenly.
Ayan.
So, it's very subtle, as you can see.
Konti pa lang yan. Mamaya makikita na natin ang pagkakain.
Do you want ba pack na pack or
Hindi
gusto mo
naman.
steady lang?
Basta, ano lang.
You know, sometimes, there were times na, alam mo yun, yung kapag wala ka na naubos na yung contour mo, whatever,
Ayan na.
you can get, an eyeshadow. You can get an eyeshadow that's darker. Well, this one kasi has glitters on it.
Oo.
But if you have like, yung brown lang talaga na matte or like a darker shade, then you can contour. Pero this is very, this is parang everyday pwedeng gawin. Hindi naman yung pang-gimmick. This is if you're
without
going
the
to
lashes,
work,
diba?
if you're going to, it's very easy to do. And you dab it lang on the contour. So, this is a BYS, I don't know, pwede later na. Like,
Mamaya ilalagay
sa
ko.
credits mo na lang siya ilagay or something. So, it gets darker.
Ay, nag-oxidize siya.
Ano sabi ko? Yan sabi ko, diba?
Tama. Sabi ko nga.
Inisip ko, sabi ko ba iodized?
Basta, yun. Yun na yun.
Okay. So, this will just set the look na parang hindi siya parang may linyang ganun, tapos may iba dito. So, that's why you blend it para it's the same coverage all over, and then you put powder para parang silky lang siya, hindi siya matapang masyado. And then you top it off with your favorite blush.
Blush.
So,
Which is?
I am using tomato for Nishido. Nishido. Potato, it's all the same. And then you just smile. Just put it on the apples of your cheeks. So, this is a bit light for you. Parang nagmumukha siyang orange. Pero sa akin, it's different. Just put it like that. Sometimes put it on the tip of my nose. And voila!
First makeup tutorial niya to, oh.
Is it? Yeah.
So, first niya to. So, kung gusto niyo siyang i-follow sa Instagram, ayan na. Follow niyo siya, ililink dito. Ilalagay ko dito yung name niya.
Oh my God. Talaga ba? Ang daming
Yes.
makikita dun, friend.
Ayos lang yun.
Hindi pa mag-uumpisa yung career ko si Rana.
Pwede niyo siyang, kuhanin for makeup artist.
Oy, no.
Ayaw,
No, hindi naman.
Follow niyo na lang siya sa mga
Actually,
palakot.
ayan. Tingnan mo lang. Paypayan mo lang. Ay! Ayan, try mo i-open kung kumakapit.
Ayan, pili ko kumakapit. Ay, grabe.
Wow, Tisay. Welcome to the young and beautiful you.
What? Ay, ang ganda. Oh my
Ah,
gosh.
wala ka pang blush mo. Bitin-bitin mag-makeup. Ano ba itong makeup artist na to? You can follow me at Izzy Chuidian. IZZYCHUIDIA.
Ayan, nilink ko siya below para makita niyo. Diba?
And ako, I usually like spray it or put a little bit of like wet sponge para mag-set lang yung buong makeup. Like,
I see those tears in your eyes, and I feel so helpless inside. Oh love, there's no need to hide.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you Miss Izzy for making me beautiful today. Wow!
anytime, my ma'am.
Sobrang thank you sa kanya kasi as in sobrang smoky tapos hindi ko siya kayang gawin as in ako mismo. Kasi wala namang pupuntahan masyado.
Practice makes perfect. And that's why you have videos like this.
Yeah.
So you can learn at home, practice, you don't have to look amazing. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, confidence is the key to success.
Yes.
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
May ganun.
Ang millennial no na. So yun, thank you so much for watching this video. Follow her on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Rose Banzon, Twitter, Rose Banzon D, Snapchat, Rose Banzon, my website, www.myplaintwist.com, www.myplaintwist.com. So yun, you could visit my fashion blog. Yun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!
She works the night.